Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Hales and I make videos about the books that I'm reading. So I have a little bit of a different video today. This is probably going to be the start of my Authortube writing a novel and getting it published independently series. So because of that, let me make sure this is right side up. Yeah. I'm going to be unboxing my new MacBook Pro, which is super exciting. I just got it today. I traded in a lot of devices. And I was told that this was really good for editing videos and content creation. And I have really been wanting to branch out and do more in the way of editing, like fun effects and stuff like that. So this is what somebody at Apple had told me to get. So it is the 18 gigabyte unified memory, 512 gigabyte, 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M3 Pro chip. And I also got the student discount on it, so it was not as expensive as I thought that it was going to be, which was really nice. But yeah, so I'm just going to unbox this and see what it looks like, and we'll see it together because it is still freshly in the packaging. And the computers that I've been using the last 10 years have been the MacBook Air, so it is a little bit different, and I am excited to see how different it is. Okay, let's see. It seems pretty straightforward. I think it's been 4 years since I had a new computer, and I've had battery issues with my old laptop. I actually had the battery replaced, I think it's been about 11 months now. And I think I called Apple 4 months ago and said, hey, this battery's not working and you guys just put it in. And they were like, ooh, that's not fantastic. Okay. So, okay, yeah, that's a little bit heavier. Okay. So I'm gonna take the dust covering off upside down. Okay, this is good too, because my old laptop is I think it's probably the battery, but it's rocky, even though I always have it on a laptop pad. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so. Oh, there it goes, starting up as soon as I open it. Oh. I also haven't had a black. I haven't had a black MacBook before, but I love this. I like the space black. I don't know what that little slot is. Okay, I don't think that I'm going to set it up right now, but this is gorgeous. I will probably come and film a little bit when I've got it set up, and we'll see what all I put on it. I'm probably going to go through what I am going to put on it in regard to writing my novel, because I needed more power. This sounds so dumb, but the battery has really been giving me such an issue that I need to have multiple documents open for pages, so that I have my outline, and then I have a planning journal, and then I have the actual document that I'm writing in, and I haven't been able to have all of them open. So I've been doing one of them on my phone and then just kind of switching back and forth while having the one that I'm writing in open. So I'm really excited to see how I can set this up to not have to do that, because it's supposed to be so much better for just running more than one program at a time, which will be great because I need like Photoshop and iMovie, which I think I'm gonna switch to like Logic, I think is what it is for video editing. But yeah, I'm gonna set this up and then I will be back to talk about it and show you my writing setup. So we are perched so precariously on this tiny little stand, but I'm just gonna show you a couple of the things that I do for writing my novel. So I have this template that I got from Etsy that just kind of helps me to kind of just stay on track. I reference this as I'm writing so that I make sure that there is an order that I'm going in that I just really want to stick to. It helps me to stay organized. And then I also have this novel writing planner, which I can edit. I actually use this as a kind of like a guide as well, because it does step by step, but then you get down here and you can go, you have like your character development and stuff. So I enjoy writing everything in a notebook. So what I do is I will open this on my phone or on my computer and then follow what the different pages, let me find one, just go down a little bit. So like this, you would just fill it in, and because I enjoy handwriting things, I go just down, I've been going down the line, filling things in, and it helps me to keep track of plotting and specific plot points. And then I have that written down in my notebook that I can reference so that I'm not writing myself into giant plot holes. These were some of the first things that I actually put onto the new laptop, which is gorgeous. And I have already written another like 400 words just in the 2 hours that I've had this up and running and have gotten things on it. And I have the document that I'm actually writing the book in. Working title, not sure that it's going to stay like that. But I have multiple documents because I will write out part of a scene if it's stuck in my head and I just want to get it down so that I can remember how I'm doing certain things. Because I would prefer to write in order, like chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and not jump around as much, but sometimes I do have to jump around. So I have, right now I only have 2 pulled up, but I think I have 6 or 7 documents that have various scenes in them. So I think that I'm going to try to post my writing videos on Wednesdays. They're not going to be an every week thing, maybe every other week, and just do updates on my word count, and then maybe try and walk everyone through the process of having my cover designed, finding an editor, and when I reach out to the person that I'm going to see about having do the formatting, and just kind of take everybody along on that journey, because I am publishing independently and I would really like to document the process and just see how it goes. I am super excited to have this new computer that won't get so hot that it burns my hand when I touch it, and doesn't just die after like an hour. So far the battery is incredible. I need to charge it because it wasn't fully charged, but I am already enjoying it. I'm already so inspired and motivated to continue doing things. I've written, I think, 300 or 400 words in my novel so far, just since having the computer, and I am just really excited for the future going forward, and really focusing on getting this book finished and out in the world. So if you're interested, subscribe, comment, like, interact with this video to keep my videos popping up in your feed if you'd like to follow my journey of getting this book published, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!